Hello, Sylvia. Thank you for again inviting me to be part of Design Without Borders, especially in this edition that the event celebrates its 20th anniversary. Hello, everyone. My name is Ana Margarida Carvalho. I'm a Portuguese jeweler based in Lisbon. For this year's event, I present works from Play in Case of Emergency. This series title seemed suited for the time in which it was first presented in 2020, but it was not indeed done that way. Coronavirus was barely in the news when I started this project. It started with an invitation by Galeria Reverso to an exhibition. When I look around, I find people do not value enough playtime. Many think that one must be very serious when working. This gave me the opportunity to explore this subject. Gogoism, the theme of the exhibition in Gallery Reverso, made me research small prehistoric toys and figurines, animal illustrations from several American graphic designers like Charlie Harper, and go back to my childhood drawings. I chose Perpex as an easy material to work with, but also to take advantage of its colors. Having many colors to choose from, I went back to the early days of plastic jewelry and toys to pick the red and pearl hues. These were the first 3 brooches of this series I presented, all birds that somehow have something to do with my playful times. With the limited supply of tools and materials, due to the confinement, I started to play. The series grew to include important bugs, trying always to include identifying details, but also leaving some things untold or hidden. House and farm animals soon joined this body of work. And soon it also extended to the jungle with the zebra, among other animals. Later in this series, I also introduced other colors, while still striving to keep it cohesive within this body of work. As an open-ended series, Play in Case of Emergency sometimes grows by request, challenging me and enriching it. Since the beginning, I strive to simplify the shapes, remembering the bodies and poses of the animals I was planning to make. Sometimes, while drawing one animal, another came to mind when I saw it in the paper. Making these pieces is like solving a puzzle. Each part must fit together before I have the complete piece. Every new piece introduces a new character or presents a different interpretation of an animal previously done, making them one of a kind. In Budapest, I invite you to see in the museum the crow, the sheep, and the gorilla during the 2024 Design Without Borders. You can follow my projects on Instagram. With this, I finish my presentation. Thank you, everyone.